Let's take a peek at spring maintenance. Ever wonder what goes on during a spring maintenance HVAC check? We follow along while one homeowner, Bob, has his two systems checked out by Lance Waterberger, technician for Interstate AC Service. Bob has one system for downstairs, a traditional central air conditioner and gas furnace, and another unit for upstairs, a small dual-purpose heat pump. Both systems were fairly new, but Bob was happy to pass his maintenance check with flying colors. First, the downstairs unit was checked. After removing the front access panel,
got a beautiful new 90 plus furnace here, top of the line.
The interior wiring connections are
amp
checked.
draws, make sure everything's not over amping. This circuit module controls everything. It'll flash diagnostic codes to tell you what's going on. Everything's looking good right now. Make sure my pump water's clean. Don't need to clean the pump.
Next, the outdoor part of the downstairs unit, the compressor and fan, is checked while the system is powered on. The access door is removed and the wiring connections are checked.
This is just a straight cool condenser. You got a 90 plus gas furnace, so in this region, that's not the most economical thing that you gotta have. Check my pressures here.
Then, the pressure is checked on the refrigerant. Bob's unit uses 410A refrigerant. The older Freon has been phased out.
Take this off right here.
The next step requires the unit to be powered off. The technician pulls the outdoor circuit switch. Then he can test the safety mechanisms on the unit.
These right here, high pressure and low pressure safeties to protect the compressor with the yellow wires. So we can check warranty and so forth by the model and serial number.
While he's working outside, the technician decides to check the compressor for the upstairs unit.
And this system here also has high pressure and low pressure safeties as well.
Since it's a heat pump, cool and defrost modes are checked, in addition to the refrigerant pressures.
This is a heat pump here. We're in cooling mode right now, checking cooling. If I were in heat mode, I would check charge here. I can show you how this reversing valve works by de-energizing this solenoid, and it'll switch it into heat mode. Well, we're in heat mode now. Three-way valve is what makes the heat pump a heat pump. Warm, and when I energize my solenoid, it'll switch back into cooling mode. And all these wires go to your thermostat inside the home. I'm checking charge in cool mode. It's 60 degrees outside. My pressures are looking good right here. If I had any issues about my Freon, I could refer to this.
Then the unit is powered down and the wiring and safety mechanisms are checked.
My power off, this lead goes to my fan. This is a dual capacitor. This is a 30 plus 5. This is a common on the back side. This goes to the fan and this one goes to the compressor. And I want to read 5 across my common to my fan. I'm reading almost 5 there, it's good. And I'm reading almost 30 there, so my capacitor is good. Contact, it comes on, off all year long on the heat pump, so it's This is a new system. I don't see any discoloration, so I'm not going to take this cover off. It's in good shape.
Now, Lance checks the upstairs air handler portion, a tight spot in the attic. The power is turned off and the wiring is checked. Lastly, the paperwork was done. Lance bids goodbye to the happy homeowner.
Thank you and have a good day.
Want to have a hassle-free air conditioning season? Get a system checkup today. Call Interstate AC Service at 615-832-8500.